Are you familiar with the classic Ran Online? Well, if you are, well, I am as well. Because back then, during my early days, I was so addicted in playing Ran Online during my college days. So fast forward to today, there are many private servers in Ran Online right now. But here's the thing. What if you play Ran Online and earn at the same time in crypto? Do you think this would really intrigue you? Do you think that this is sustainable? Are they going to meet our expectations as both players and crypto enthusiasts? Let's find out. So GM everyone, this is Nomad Fury. So before we begin, I would like to fully disclose that this is a sponsored video. Even though that this is sponsored, my advice to you would remain the same. So kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. So this is going to be an unbiased overview and gameplay, just to be fair and transparent to all. So it's better for you to exercise risk management before you're going to check out this opportunity. So proceed with caution. Anyways, let's begin. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about, the Ran ERA episode 9 private server. So all the source links are right here on the video description. So guys, you remember about the Venice swap overview that I have last time, but how can they be related to this private server of Ran Online, which is the Ran ERA episode 9? So Venice guys is sponsoring the Ran ERA EP9 private server, in which we as players are going to be rewarded with free Venice coin while just simply having fun in playing Ran ERA. How cool is that, right? So once you have claimed it, there's a guide on how are you going to redeem it. You just simply join the official Venice Swap Philippines Telegram group. Pretty easy, huh? That's how it is, for redeeming these free Venice coins while playing this Ran ERA private server. So it's time for the fun part in which we are going to play it. Alright? Now, you can see right here, I've already installed the private server. And of course, guys, I'm going to select the channel and I click connect. So all we have to do is to have our ID and password. But if you don't have an account yet, so all you have to do is to click register. And of course, you should enter all the details here. So I'll be right back after I have registered my account.
A few moments later.
Alright, so once I have entered my details, so I click OK. Okay, so it's time for us to create our character. Okay, so let's say, which school? Sacred Gate, Mystic Peak, or the Phoenix? Actually, I like Phoenix. Let's say I want a female. There are 6 classes right here. So we have the swordsman, the brawler, the archer, the shaman, the science, and the assassin. But for the extreme, you must have level 190 character inside this account to create. For instance, since I want something badass, so I want a female brawler.
A few moments later.
This looks perfect. I want to name like a Kriya Sanity. Okay, so once I'm okay with this, so let's click done. Character successfully created. Okay, so once I'm done, so I just select a character and then we click start. Okay, so there's a second password, so I'm going to enter it. I'll be right back. Okay, so it only allows us 4 characters, for the second password, so I click OK. Security code verifying success.
A few moments later.
Okay, so right now, guys, I'm currently practicing as a newbie, for this private server Ran. So let's say I want to fight this little hooligan. Wow. What about this second skill? Wow, look at that kick, man. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, I got this. Look at that. I'm at 103 now. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm still practicing, man. You know, my HP has increased now at level 7. What about this quest anyway? Attain level 5. Now listen to your going task. Okay. Fair compensation. Nice. Here we go. Now at level 8. I don't know about this bandit, if I could make it. Oh, nice. I got this little bandit. Let's see if I could lure. Here we go. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Now I have this inventory. Oh, nice. So I have these gauntlets. Ooh, wow. I like that. Item preview. Okay, so I have the jet ski. I have already equipped. Like, let's try to lure. Oh, that's AoE. Nice. Now let's see if I could fight much challenging enemies. Hmm. Oh, word out garbage. So many loots here, guys. Could I take out the gangster? Let's see. So yeah, when I level up, of course, my HP is fully restored. Let's see about the items that I have. Okay, so I have equipped. And let's see my character. I have 2 rings right now. And maybe the other ones I would sell it. Oh, that's good. So, this one is for healing. I just drag it by pressing Alt plus right click. Okay, so I should move. I'll be going to the grocery merchant. Nice. Oh, yes. Okay, now it's time to go to the marketplace anyway. Okay, so this is the marketplace. So, we could trade our items here. Some of them are, you know, trying to recruit new guild members. Oh, completion of the course. Please accumulate online time. Yeah, I did it. But of course, my inventory is kind of full. So it's really important that you should pay attention to your healing items. Nice. Okay, what about the slugger, man? Oh, the worn out drink vending machine. Let's see. Oh, haha, just wait for the slugger to pass. Okay, so I think I gotta fight the slugger. Nice, okay, special stick. Great. I got a lure, man, come on. Nice. Oh, so inventory is full now. Sorry. I'm just showing you how to play this game anyway. Oh, what about the slasher? Oh man. Come on, we can do it, man. Oh, okay. That's really difficult. Well, that's how it is when we are playing Ran ERA Episode 9 private server. You know, and earning some Venice tokens at the same time. Well, it's fun while we play and earn, right? With this classic Web2 game known as the Ran Online, but in a private server known as the Ran ERA Episode 9. So there you have it, guys. At least I have shared to you the Ran ERA Episode 9 private server, in which it was sponsored by the Venice Swap coin, where players like us are going to earn these Venice tokens as airdrop and by redeeming it as well. So if you want more details, I provided all the source links right here on the video description, especially on how are you going to redeem your Venice tokens by just playing this Ran ERA Episode 9 private server. So once again, peeps, kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. And of course, just to be fair and transparent to all, this is a non-biased overview and gameplay. So before you're going to take part of this opportunity, make sure that you acknowledge the risks and learn risk management at the same time. So proceed with caution. So if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are so addicted in playing Ran ERA EP9 private server. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I will see you all on my next video.